I know. I don't know if we're going to have enough snow to be able to make a giant
Right.
Bernie statue.
A small one, just a baby
yeah.
one.
Yeah, a baby moai. It'll be fine. But yeah, we're going to have another round of snow coming tomorrow. And the thing is, it's going to come, and then it's going to get out of here really quick. So that's some good news for us. And take a look at this wonderful picture this morning coming in from Atlantic City. A great sunrise. Going to be a wonderful Saturday. Unfortunately, the end of the weekend a little bit different. Here this morning, though, at the shore, temperatures waking up in the mid-30 range. Not too much in the way of wind just yet. Southwest, about 3 miles an hour. So pretty calm, pretty quiet. But that's going to pick up as the day goes on. Our temperatures at the shore later today jumping up into the 40s. But when you add in the breeze, maybe feeling a little bit cooler than that. So across the region, Philly will wake up in the 30s and will feel into the 40s later this afternoon. But again, that breeze probably feeling more like the mid to upper 30s. So for the shore, again, we're at 35 right now, 47 for the eventual high temperature. Plenty of sunshine for us, so that wonderful sunrise continues all the way into the afternoon. It's going to be cold up in the Pocono Mountains if you're going to be someone that wants to maybe hit the slopes up there. 29 degrees for the high, and then we'll have even more snow maybe coming to at least parts of the Poconos tomorrow. Overall, here is what we're going to be expecting for that Sunday snow. A much quicker moving storm. Of course, what we had early in the week, it sat and it spun and it just dumped heavy snow across the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. And while we could have some brief periods of heavy snow tomorrow, it's not going to be anything like what we had early in the week. Right now, the highest totals look to be right across I-95, and it will be quickly exiting by Sunday afternoon. So here we go with our timing things out. Let's talk about future weather here. 4 a.m. on Sunday morning. Rain and snow start to move in from the south. You see, actually, temperatures could be warm enough for some areas across South Jersey to have plain rain. I think it'll actually start as a rain-snow mix, even across Jersey, central and southern Delaware as well. That rain-snow line is going to get close to I-95, so at the onset of our precipitation here in the city itself, right around 7 o'clock or so in the morning, could have a little bit of rain and snow mixing together right at the beginning. But look what happens. We get a little bit colder here by 10 o'clock, starting to see snow across I-95 and especially points to the north and west. Still keeping it more of a little bit of a mix across South Jersey and Delaware. Heavier snow will continue through about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We get some heavier bands that set up again right across the I-95 corridor, the PA and New Jersey suburbs of Philadelphia. As we get then a little bit later on in the afternoon, heading towards 3 or 4 o'clock, the system starts to move away. And as we get into the evening, things really dry out pretty quickly. So just in time for all of us to watch CBS 3 and the Super Bowl looking pretty good. When it comes to how much snow we're going to get, right across I-95, again, the PA and New Jersey suburbs, 4 to 6 inches. Some localized areas could see as much as 6 or 7 inches of snow on either side here. We're talking about 2 to 4, and basically a quick coating to 2 inches at the shore. That will quickly be washed away by the rain. 45 our high today, 35 tomorrow with the snow jam, 30 on Monday, and then we're going to be talking about Tuesday and Thursday next week as a couple more chances to maybe get some wintry mix.
Oh boy. Okay, Matt, thanks so much.